Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add custom column in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. I'll add column, only these paragraphs. Simply select your text, drag your mouse. Now select format option and select column option. Now select more option. Array consoles column option. I'll apply 3 columns and column line spacing I'll reduce 1 centimeter. Also you can disappear column lines and apply and see this 3 columns already applied and column lines not showing. Also I'll add here columns, format option, more option. I'll add here 2 columns and apply and see this 2 columns already added. Also you can add columns whole document or specific page in this way. If you want to add columns whole document, press Ctrl A from your keyboard and select whole document. Now select format option and apply columns and see this column already applied whole document. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.